phone? Yeah, I got it.
Got your phone?
Cool. I got it too. Here.
Okay.
Yep.
That's okay. I decided to get this coat from the Amazon store. Like, oh, it looks nice. Go back.
Yeah.
Go back to like 70s and 80s, like wearing this or 1930s coats. I'm going backwards and forward. Do you think the gate is closed?
I hope it's open. Oh. Yeah. That works. Somebody ripped the fence down anyway. Probably, yeah.
Yeah.
There we go.
Some people do that. Good morning to all people.
Yeah.
I don't see people, I don't see us. And birds, nature.
It smells great.
Thank you.
What?
What?
You?
What?
Oh.
Huh? Oh my.
It's not as hot. It's not as cold. That means so cool.
It's perfect weather,
Yeah.
cooling.
Yeah.
Be more windy, it should, the wind should take you. Like Mary Poppins flew in the sky.
Well, I got an umbrella.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But don't,
Help you fly.
if the thunders, don't just do it yet.
Yeah.
Don't want to thunder strike on people. I've heard stories
There's
about
this little island
some
here,
people.
so that's where we were.
Farther up.
Yeah.
I heard about people getting struck by lightning.
Yeah. If your hair is all standing up, yeah, you get
Yeah. It's like you can't be under trees with raining and thundering.
Oh yeah, that's not a good idea.
I guess that's the path we could have just stayed on it.
Oh.
Okay, now we know.
Now we know.
Yeah.
So next time.
He's like, what are you?
Oh, the person over there kicked it. That's
He's like, what are you doing? What?
the dog. Like, what are you doing?
He's like, you thought I was playing.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe pick up. He's like, shoot.
Maybe because you.
It was under my foot.
Hmm.
I don't know. That's so funny. He watched it too.
Oh well.
That's funny. That dog is cute though.
I don't know back
Really
there.
cute.
Sound like our dog is weird, but
Yeah. Mine's Daisy.
Daisy?
Grant's dog. Daisy.
oh,
German Shepherd. That's peaceful, actually.
it's peaceful sometimes.
Peaceful.
What kind of peaceful without you
Well,
is better
I'm at this place. It's really nice, peaceful, and
without you? Whatever. What was that? Oh,
At first it sounded like it was dying. Then it sounded like
that was weird. That was weird sound.
okay, so
Are you going to swim? Are you going to swim in it?
that's too short.
You can bathe in it if you want.
Well, we can just catch it straight ahead too.
Oh, yeah, it goes all the way around.
Yeah.
Because we went that way last time. We weren't sure, so yeah.
I know because I saw the whole trail last time we were there.
Yeah.
Where?
We just stopped in the middle of the trail and we went back.
Now where's my horse at? I gotta wear.
Where am I gonna find a horse? I don't know.
At the zoo?
At the farm?
What?
That's farm. You said at the zoo. I said farm.
For you on the farm. I have been on a horse before years ago.
Oh yes, we did. At Aunt Lisa's place.
That's just one. But
Yeah.
years later.
Their neighbor had a horse, and they came over.
Oh yeah.
And we were with my kids. And they also turned on someone else's horse.
Beside a horse.
First time.
I had ride on a horse on a school trip like years ago. There's a scrapbook.
Yeah.
I saw me on a horse.
So it was fun. It's just kind of fun.
Scary. But the number one rule is like you can't go behind the horse, they'll kick you.
Yeah. You gotta
Unless you touch it.
Yeah.
If you put your hand on the horse as you're walking around it.
Yeah.
So it's just because they get startled.
Yeah.
Just like
Oh,
anybody.
just the scene in the movie, The Jungle Book. Canaries slaps the horse in the booty, and then the white guy hits in the face by a horse. Well, he's gone.
Yeah.
But that's just the fact is, like, people can do that in real life. Like, oh no, that tree's not no good. It's dark in here. Bring some flashlight.
Apparently my flashlight's not working.
Just use the teeth.
Can't use my teeth.
Teeth is like
My teeth is white. Really?
can blind somebody.
Ting. No.
It's a touching in the beginning of it. Like, brightness.
There's the river.
Oh, the river.
Call me a river.
No one's cry you to the river.
Aunt Pete.
I'll actually cry in the river. You're standing. What?
What?
Huh?
No.
What?
I don't think so.
Are we gonna find a bear in here somewhere?
What?
What?
Find a bear?
Yeah.
Where am I going to find a bear in here? There's no way to-
At the zoo?
There's bears here.
Or is
Oh,
it?
actually, that's not true. That's not entirely true. There's bears. There's bears in the city. I mean, yeah, we had a bear in our neighborhood one time.
Bear?
Scary.
I don't see any bears in cities.
No, not here, but you know where Chelsea, you know the Chelsea Park you always go to, the fountain, pool, whatever.
Kinda.
They had a bear there.
But I don't see it last time.
No, I heard stories about it because it's on the news.
Oh, I thought it was you.
Yeah. Oh, there's the spot. There's the river.
That's spot go fishing?
And then there's the boat.
This spot go fishing maybe?
Yeah, you can go fishing
Use you
here.
for
Yeah, you can fish anywhere.
use you for bait.
What? I know. I'm on a hook. Oh yeah, we were here last time.
Yeah.
About, There's
There's another trail down there too.
Oh yeah, you don't want to get lost over the road. Just stick on this path here.
Okay.
I was.
Oh shit. I already did that.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Wow.
Yeah.
Welcome to the jungle.
Yeah, we're definitely.
Kinda. Yeah, I can feel the rain. Yeah, I can feel the rain now.
Be smart. I brought an umbrella.
Just for,
It's not raining that hard.
just for yourself. It won't rain hard enough to fast down. Just you bring the shampoo.
That's smart. I brought an umbrella.
She brought the shampoo.
What? I don't need that.
If you want the shampoo, just yeah.
Alright, turn around this way. Let's block. Come this way.
Since
Never mind, I tripped.
you're always tripping on your clown's
I gotta
feet.
lift my
Okay.
feet.
Two left clown feet.
You went circles? This right there.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. Oh, okay. I turned this way. That's half.
Huh, eh?
And I know where now we know. Interesting.
And now we know who we are.
Yep, we can go straight this way. Here's what, the easy way.
Yeah.
Shortcut a little bit.
Shortcut. You want a short buzz? Zzz.
I don't need that.
I think the animal's calling your name.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. There it is
The
again.
birds are out.
Yeah, it's calling your name still.
Yeah, right.
It's Cynthia.
I'm pretty sure a bird could call my name. Cynthia. No, I'm sure. If you still sound good, those.
That'd be creepy actually.
Yeah. It would
Ah.
be.
You're in my land. Mm-hmm. Hmm.
No, I don't mind the rain.
Oh, that's good.
Hard.
If you complain more, then put more rain out. I see bugs.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Sometimes those bugs will come out at nighttime or anywhere, any day. Yeah. Dude, that's a massive spider. Oh, it's trying to
You wanna
a butterfly.
You wanna go near it?
I've seen those around our trees in the backyard.
If you want, you can go near it.
They're so cool.
I want you to join them.
Want me to turn into a nice butterfly?
No,
Okay.
not really.
One. Yeah, they're everywhere. Yeah. They're everywhere.
Hmm. Let's just go deeper in the woods.
No.
Deeper. Like the,
There's ambulance.
oh. That's your buddy, Sin.
Really?
Yeah, that's your buddy. Meat wagon.
Yeah, you're fine.
Let's go deeper in the woods, like go to the Amazon. Right, Sin?
What?
What?
No?
What?
I don't think so.
Deep in the woods, it's called Amazon.
It could be. There's a place called Amazon.
Yeah, that's the place I wanted to put you there.
No.
You can check that out. Mm-hmm. Wow. Raining. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Called the long walk.
Yeah. Nice my guess.
I like the rain. It was a heavy rain. I should
That
bought
was the other day.
yeah.
Yeah.
I should bought a shampoo. Wash your hair in the rain.
No. Oh, they gotta enjoy the rain.
We are now.
That's what natives do. You gotta enjoy the rain.
I think we've been here before. Walking through here with Brandon once.
Really?
Z and I and Brandon were walking through this path on his birthday like years ago.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was far ahead.
Oh, no, my gosh. Yeah, that's because you guys walked everywhere.
Yeah. Now we're a bit younger at that time.
Yeah.
Now we're older and
Yeah.
separated as different ways.
Brand has a lot of events to go to. You know, he's busy.
And so am I.
That trail is the one that we went on when we was out tasting.
Oh yeah. There's a trail over there.
No, that's blocked.
Yeah, you're blocked.
Did you hear that thunderstorm the other day?
I never got it.
You never?
No?
No,
We did.
But I was talking with Lori. And she was from North
Huh.
But I'm south of you guys, right?
Yeah. And we also got
Snails.
Oh, it looks like he's snails. Oh, they're still alive. Yeah. They're gonna move. I don't want them to move.
Oh.
That was one that's been crushed.
Oh.
Really? That one too.
Oh, you found no buddies.
Like, people don't see it right when they're walking or when they're biting.
Oh,
Yeah.
terrible.
How did snails will come up?
There's another one.
Yeah.
I bet their buddies are like sad still.
Hi, little buddy. Oh. Yeah, he's alive.
So,
You killed.
no,
I'm sorry. He did something.
Did it tickle you after
Yeah. Yep.
you hurt the guy or dude.
Ew, it was so scary. Okay. I'm sorry.
Might be alive, but injured. You injured him.
Sorry, little buddy.
Oh my.
I'm sorry.
Good luck to you.
Scared.
Oh.
What did it do? Just like.
It flicked one of his little antennas, whatever.
Oh, that
It
tickled
scared
you.
me.
Here, I'll take care of this one.
I got enough jumps.
Apparently.
I
Dude.
never
Yeah,
knew.
this one doesn't look very good at all.
No, did it die or something?
I think so. That one's gross.
Oh my.
I can't believe I jumped for that.
Might well just look. Might well just look for
it did.
another.
It had just one in and one out. Whatever the eyes or slipping my hand.
That was crushed.
Crush.
They're getting hurt. And it must have been slipping my hand or something. Or I was trying to get a sense of who I was. Or whatever. Snails can do that. They can try
It
to
could
like,
have been, yes.
Right.
oh, and then it's moving. It was cold too.
Yeah.
If I pick it up, it won't affect me anything. I'm used to
It
it.
just, yeah, like I said, it just startled me, and then I kind of They're like, whoop.
You hurt the little thing. Poor It was my bad.
Back on the side.
It was my bad that you break anything.
Snail. Oh, but that's a good laugh. But yeah.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, so also these worms are coming out too.
I spy it fun anymore.
I'm not picking up anymore.
Yeah, okay.
That's good. At least the ground is moist and worms come out and birds eat them.
Okay.
Yeah, I found this last time we were outside. I found this huge, big worm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was slithering away. And
Finding worms. Some people say they're using worms for catch fish.
Yeah, they were out.
Yeah.
I heard. So. Ah.
Yeah, I didn't get to use them.
You got yourself a dinner or a snack on. Oh, we finally see the stop sign.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a snail around.
Snails.
I'm sure I don't step on them.
It's hard not to step on them if you didn't pay attention.
Well, if you're riding a bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't see them.
There's no one here but us.
Stop the car. That's a lie.
I spoke to you.
Yes, you did. Thank you. Spoke to us. Have we been somewhere
We
else?
never walked down this far.
Yeah.
I remember some place we walked on that was a boat yard.
Yes, that was on the Lang Hastings trail.
Oh, we should go there at some point.
That's the long one.
I haven't been there a long time.
So this is actually a really good idea because this would take us up to by Trent,
Trent?
Yeah.
and
Oh.
there's another parking lot up here, so we could make that our endpoint.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
then
yeah.
next time go there and we'll keep going,
Yeah, that'd be a
Ah.
good idea.
just like we always do.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
We've never gone this far.
This is the first time there.
One direction, one to the other direction.
Yeah.
And talk about your favorite boy band.
What?
Direction,
I rarely listen to those bands. I listen to myself band.
Yeah, they're all-time Britain most wanted boy bands ever.
They
Hayden, or whatever his name is, he passed away recently. Yeah. Also, yeah, one of the guys from One Direction, he died.
I like a rabbit.
Oh yeah, it's cute. I let a rabbit.
Yeah.
Look at that freaky tree. That looks like a scarecrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
See the hand?
Yeah, it looks like
Yeah.
it's like it's grabbing,
it's like
yeah.
Yeah.
Spooky Halloween season.
Imagine sometimes jumps out.
Or just imagine some of the birds that poop on your head and take a selfie with it.
That's not nice. Well, that's true in any kind of way. I did have a burp poop on my head.
Well,
That was
I'm the only one who
so
haven't
gross.
yet.
You ever had a burp poop on your head?
I had one on my shoulder.
Oh, it's
Oh.
so nasty. You had one on my face, my glasses,
Meant for a good luck.
Aw.
and my hair.
That's only what people say to people who get pooped on to make them feel better. It's not good luck.
No, it's not.
Oh,
Did you have luck after you got pooped all over your face?
I pretty much felt that I was lucky.
Yeah.
I think Z had
right
her.
after.
Z had her head on down.
Yeah, and I
her
washed
face.
my glasses and everything, my
Oh.
face.
Z had on her head.
I had to wash my hair all over again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
it was.
Z, I think I was
You
guessing,
had it too?
Yeah, she did.
and it slid down on her face.
It was nasty.
Oh.
Like
Nasty.
I never had any
Of
poop
course
on
you
my head.
didn't.
Now,
You're dodging those bullets.
yes, I never will get any of a bird doo-doo on my head.
Yeah.
If I did, I'd let you know.
Those 5 birds. somewhere else.
Can't help it, because the whole world is their
Well,
poop.
you,
Yeah, they don't have control. They just poop forever.
yeah,
Yeah,
they do.
they eat, sleep, and do whatever. They see people and we're targets for. Yeah.
And then you see some sensors back here.
Yeah. Make sure don't spy on them, son.
That's why they have the trees.
Okay.
That's that. That's interesting.
There, look at that squirrel. Or something.
Chipmunk.
Oh.
Oh, they're so cute. Hi, little buddy. This is the longest trail.
Yeah, the longest trail that we can find. Called the longest walk.
It also gives a good
Cardio.
cardio. Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
We do this all the time. It's nice. Who's gonna wish the rain and go faster? And we're gonna wish the rain.
It was just spitting.
That just begun. Later on, be more rain. Pouring down rain, and then go outside and take a shampoo and wash all your hair. Or just get a canoe and go down the path.
Or just have a nice shower.
Yeah, in a canoe. What?
In a canoe.
I don't know. Well, you're doing all that and the hair doing for you.
It's so quiet out here.
Yeah.
You want that?
Yeah, give me a little
Should I
shot.
try some? Like I
Yeah,
said, it's called grass.
grass eating, drinking it. Yeah. When I first saw it, like, okay, why are you drinking grass all of a sudden?
It's healthy.
Yeah, for the diabetes. So the next trails next time is way down there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we used to go to Trent
Yeah.
to swim there.
We're-
Well, also we just died and used to take us go to Trent to swim there too. Remember?
Yeah, with
And with Aunt Lisa, Uncle Jeff, and Hale and Amber.
the whole
Yeah,
family.
we used to have picnics there too.
Yeah.
He just threw me in over the deep end where the weeds are.
That's Jeff. He threw me too.
Yeah, and it was fun.
And I was
Remember,
swimming.
kids?
And then I remember the seaweed grabbed my foot.
I don't. Yeah.
I thought you meant you were swimming in the pool at Trent, but you were swimming
No, over here by the river.
In the open.
Yeah, by the river. Yeah, we used to go there all the time.
Not anymore.
Yeah. And then Uncle Jeff just having fun, just throw us in the deep end every single time.
Oh yeah,
Fun family time.
sure. Not anymore.
I remember he throws you.
Yeah, he does. He did that.
Little Polly.
Little, little baby me.
Yeah. Uncle Jeff's just like, you just gate him on Uncle Jeff and just, yeah, let's go get him.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Yeah, Paul's like a little monkey.
Yeah.
Funny.
I don't see any birds around here yet.
No.
I've seen just one and one chipmunk, that's it.
That was the end.
And Yeah, other direction is that other way over there.
There's a garbage can.
A garbage.
I'm almost done mine.
Oh, good. Maybe find something in there. Oh, I got a map. I found a map.
Yeah. Walking, cycling, inline skating, skateboarding, mobiles. Yeah. No authorized to do that. Unless it's other people.
We're up here.
Oh. We're here. Yeah.
So right there, you can see all those cars that Burgundy truck is.
Oh yeah.
That's the parking lot.
Oh
And then I guess the trail will keep going.
yeah.
It'll cross.
Yeah.
It'll cross around there.
Oh. Wow.
Now we know where it goes now. There we go. There we go. It's all over you. Those little fuzzy things.
Just look at me. I look cool.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Back in centuries.
Oh yeah. Really?
Wait.
You're such a vampire. Okay. Look at Dracula.
What?
Dracula.
Have seen that?
Oh. Oh. It's watery. I don't know. Something system. Yeah, I guess we're gonna go back this way. Yeah.
No.
Wait.
I want to.
Okay.
What?
Okay.